The next student is Muhammad Ahmed Altaf, whose topic is Youth Power is the Symbol.
This is the story of those youth who proved that this is only the youth power who can make a revolution. So see the great leader who gave the scattered nation and different languages a garland of unity and agreement is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mr. President, the leader who led the people of Islam to face the dawn of freedom while living the life of slavery in the subcontinent of Pakistan and India, who made the scattered nation vested and gave Muslims a spirit of Jahidu fi Sabilillah from the Khyber Pass to the Bay of Bengal, the one who blessed the Muslim people in 1947 who were lost in the search for the angel with the blessing of the Islamic Republic, and finally he established the country for Muslim Ummah. If you get a look of history, you will find such youth who built the revolution. Mr. President, the history reminds us a name of Simon Bolivar, who fought until the end to make Venezuela an independent state. Yes, Mr. President, the history reminds us a name of Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana, who led the country to independence from British colonial rule. Mr. President, the history reminds us a name of Ho Chi Minh, who was the founding father of modern Vietnam and fought till the end for Vietnam's independence from British colonial rule. Yes, Mr. President, the history reminds us a name of Che Guevara and Fidel Castro, who died for the sake of the fertile land of Cuba and were called comrades. Yes, Mr. President, the history reminds us a name of Mao Zedong, who became the revolutionary man for the communist people. Yes, Mr. President, these all youth sacrificed themselves but build revolution for their nation, because youth power is only the symbol of revolution. Thanks a lot.